Hey everyone, welcome to a video that's about to shake up your life. Ever wondered why some people dream big but never make it happen? Do you find yourself planning grand things at night, only to wake up and let them slip away? If that sounds like you, buckle up, because this story is your wake-up call. We're diving into the journey of a young guy named Arav, whose head was full of million-dollar dreams, but whose days were stuck in a loop of laziness. Then, one life-changing encounter with a wise mentor flipped his world upside down. We're breaking down the 7 unbreakable principles of success that the world's greatest achievers swear by. Packed with real-life examples, deep insights, and practical steps you can start today. Stick with us till the end, and I promise, you'll walk away so fired up, you'll want to rewrite your future right now. This isn't just a story, it's your blueprint to greatness. Let's get started. Picture this. Arav, a 23-year-old guy from a small American town where life moves slowly, but his dreams, they were sky high. Ever since he was a kid, Arav was different. While other kids were out playing ball, he was glued to books about tycoons like Rockefeller, Bezos, or Musk. His dad ran a modest corner store, working long hours, but never dreaming beyond the daily grind. Arav would watch him and think, I'm going to build something massive, a business empire that'll put my name in lights. In high school, he wasn't the straight-A kid, but his imagination was unstoppable. Teachers would say, Arav, you've got big ideas, but you got to put in the work. He'd shrug it off, thinking, dreams are enough, the work will figure itself out. By the time he hit 23, fresh out of college, Arav was set on skipping the 9-to-5 life. He wanted to launch a startup. He'd talk everyone's ear off, family, friends, even random folks at the coffee shop. I'm going to build a tech company, he'd say, an app that'll change how people shop. First year, 1 million users. Next, venture capital funding. I'll be a billionaire by 30. His mom would beam with pride. His buddies would cheer. That's our guy. Everyone bought into his hype. His uncle would brag, Arav's gonna be the next big thing. Friends nicknamed him the future mogul. But that excitement? It didn't last. As months turned into years, Arav's big talk stayed just that. Talk. His days started late, sprawled in bed till noon, then hours scrolling through social media, claiming he was researching trends. Afternoons were spent binge-watching shows or chatting with friends about the big plan. By evening, he'd make excuses. I'll start tomorrow. Laziness had him in a chokehold. Procrastination was his default setting. He'd buy a business book, only to let it collect dust. He'd start researching a website, then abandon it. His dreams were massive, but his actions, non-existent. Slowly, the people around him noticed. The same friends who once cheered him on started rolling their eyes. At a barbecue, one buddy smirked. Yo, Arav, how's that startup coming? Still dreaming or what? Everyone laughed. Arav forced a smile, but inside, it stung. His mom began dropping hints. Honey, maybe get a job like the neighbor's kid. His dad stayed quiet, but his disappointed glances said enough. Arav started beating himself up. Why can't I get moving? Am I just a failure? The self-doubt crept in, and the once talkative, upbeat Arav turned quiet and withdrawn. He stopped going to parties, distanced himself from friends. By 25, his confidence was fading, replaced by a heavy cloud of frustration. Years kept passing, 24, 25, and nothing changed. It felt like his life was stuck in quicksand, with no way out. A friend's advice and a life-changing meeting. One afternoon, while grabbing a burger at a local diner, Arav ran into his old high school friend, Ravi. Ravi was killing it as a software engineer, radiating success. He saw Arav's slumped shoulders and tired eyes. Dude, what's up? You used to be the guy with all the fire. Arav spilled everything, his dreams, his laziness, the constant mockery. Ravi listened, then said, Look, I've been there, but something changed my life. There's this wise mentor, people call him the Sage, who lives at a retreat center an hour from here. He's not your typical guru. He's like a life coach with real-world wisdom. People from all over come to him with their problems, and he lays out solutions like a roadmap. I went to him when I was lost, and it turned my career around. You should go see him. He might just help you find your path. For the first time in years, Arav felt a spark of hope. Thanks, man. I'll check it out. The next morning, he hopped on a bus to the retreat center. The place was serene, green lawns, a quiet pond, and a simple hall where the Sage sat. Dressed in a plain white shirt with a calm smile and piercing eyes, the Sage radiated wisdom. Arav sat down, his voice shaky. Sir, I'm lost. I want to be a huge entrepreneur, make millions, be famous. But I'm stuck. I waste my days, do nothing. People mock me, and I'm starting to hate myself. Please show me the way. The Sage listened intently, then spoke with a steady voice. Son, your struggle is common. Millions dream big, but never act. Success isn't luck, it's a system. The world's greatest achievers, from Edison to Oprah, followed certain principles. Today, I'm sharing the 7 unbreakable principles of success that will transform your mindset and your life. Follow them, and you'll not only chase your dreams, you'll catch them. The first principle is simple but non-negotiable. Never stop learning. There's an old saying, the day you stop learning, you start falling behind. Why do people like Elon Musk rocket to the top? Because they're obsessed with knowledge. Stop learning, and the world passes you by. Keep learning, and you'll make sharper decisions, spot opportunities, and conquer obstacles. Start small. Commit to 45 minutes a day. Read books like Think and Grow Rich. Take a Udemy course on entrepreneurship, or study industry trends. Imagine this. If you spend a year learning digital marketing, you could pitch ideas that blow clients away. Take Sarah Blakely. She learned everything about retail and built Spanx into a billion-dollar brand. Knowledge isn't just power, it's your ticket to the top. But don't just read, apply. Make mistakes, learn from them, and grow. This principle builds the foundation for everything else. Second principle, be productive. Laziness is a dream killer, like a slow poison. Too many people plan big, but do nothing. Successful people don't waste time. They make every moment count. Think about Jeff Bezos. Same 24 hours as you, but he built Amazon by using them wisely. The difference? Ordinary people overthink, winners overdo. Here's how to start. Use a time management tool like Notion or a simple to-do list. Every morning, write down 3 things you'll accomplish. Maybe research a business idea for an hour. At night, review. Did you do it? If not, why? Look at Gary Vaynerchuk. He started with small daily tasks like posting content and grew a media empire. Stop overthinking, start doing. This principle turns your time into gold. Third principle, self-discipline. Motivation is fleeting. It comes and goes like the weather. Discipline is the rock that keeps you steady. Successful people don't wait for the right mood. They stick to routines, rain or shine, like soldiers in training. How to apply it? Create a daily schedule. Wake up at 6 a.m., hit the gym, then work on your goals. Even if you don't feel like it, do it. Challenge yourself. Work 1 hour today, 90 minutes tomorrow. Look at Michael Jordan. His discipline and practice made him a legend. Discipline isn't sexy, but it's the bridge from dreams to reality. Build it, and you're unstoppable. Fourth principle, take risks. If you cling to safety, you'll stay average. Success lives on the other side of fear. Every mogul, Mark Cuban, Sarah Blakely, took bold risks. Failure? It's just feedback. The real question is, if you don't try, how will you know what you're capable of? Start small. Pitch a small investment. Test a side hustle. Try new ideas. Push your limits. Look at Airbnb's founders. They risked everything to launch, and now it's a global giant. Fear weakens you. Facing it strengthens you. This principle turns your fears into fuel. Fifth principle: believe in yourself. The greatest entrepreneurs aren't superhuman. They just trust themselves. Oprah Winfrey rose from poverty to power because she believed she could. If you doubt yourself, the world will too. Self-doubt is a success killer. Build confidence. Focus on your past wins, no matter how small. Affirm your goals daily. When doubt creeps in, ask, what if I succeed? Confidence isn't arrogance. It's the spark that lights your path. Trust yourself, and the world will follow. Principle 6. Choose your circle, your destiny's blueprint. Sixth principle: surround yourself with the right people. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Negative friends drag you down. Inspiring ones lift you up. If you hang with complainers, you'll become one. But with dreamers, you'll soar. How to do it? Seek mentors, join entrepreneurial groups, network with go-getters, distance yourself from naysayers. Look at mastermind groups. Successful people thrive in them. Your circle shapes your destiny. Choose wisely. Seventh principle: consistency and resilience. Success isn't overnight. Every failure is a lesson. Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times but kept going. Small, steady steps lead to big wins. Set daily goals, stay patient, and keep working. Like working out, 30 minutes a day transforms you over months. J.K. Rowling was rejected 12 times but didn't quit. Consistency turns dreams into reality. Never stop. The sage paused, his eyes warm. These 7 principles are your roadmap, but they only work if you do. You have 2 choices: keep dreaming and stay stuck, or act and become the 1%. Arav left with a fire in his heart. He started small, applied the principles, and years later, became a thriving entrepreneur. This is your story too. Start today. Learn, act, stay disciplined, take risks, believe, choose your circle, and never quit. If this inspired you, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more life-changing content. Thanks for watching.